Coming at you from Tokyo, Japan, my name is Dave and this is my Toyota Altezza. We're looking at this side of the engine because today we're going to install a engine torque damper. Now there is debate about whether these actually do anything or not, but I think they're cool and, well, let's just call it engine bay bling if nothing else, because I don't know, I feel like this side of the engine looks kind of boring. This is pretty easy to install. It's just 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're in. These are a 12, those are a 14. Thank you to Mark for the ratchet. Quite tight, that one. This thing is used, I don't know why it's got a nut bolt and washer on it, but oh look, a captive washer. Now this one just goes in there like that, and that goes over there. It's all pretty straightforward, really. This becomes infinitely more difficult to do, which is always good. Just a little extension. That makes it a lot easier. I have no idea the torque settings of these yet, so I'll have to go in and get them. Put the earth on top. Probably a good idea. Okay, so the bottom one is going to go into the head that much less. Should we order a longer bolt? Not at this stage, no. I've got the torque settings. These are nowhere near as tight as I thought they would be. We're talking about 35 Newton meters on here and 39 on this bottom one. The top one doesn't matter because it's just an earth. So I do them both the same. Set this to 35. Now set it to 39. Done. Now setting this up, I don't really know. When I did that up, it seems to have locked. Yeah, whoops. Okay, I might need some like monkey grips to undo this. It's always good when the monkey wrench wants to monkey around. 1, 2, 3, 28, 29, 30. We'll call it 30. Let's go at 15. 1, 2, 3, 13, 14, 15. So we're about halfway. That's probably about right, wouldn't you say? How far do you actually expect this thing to travel? I'm not expecting it to travel at all, actually. I can already hear someone in the comments going, those engine torque dampeners don't do anything, or those engine torque dampeners damage your engine. My uncle's friend's uncle's uncle had one in his Camaro and it broke something. It caused the oil pan to fall off, so you shouldn't use them. Yeah, as I say, it's just for bling, mate. I don't really care if it doesn't do anything. I've got the hardest engine mounts known to man, apparently. Like, how do you even lock that? Finger tight. That's on now. We're in the middle of the throw here. Maybe we should be towards the end of the throw. No, because the engine could go either way, right? I would hope it doesn't move that far. That locks that from spinning, that locks that from no? I don't know. Anyway, I wound that out as far as I was comfortable doing, quarter turned it in as far as I was comfortable and counted those, and then went halfway back out again. So we should be in the middle of this thing's potential throw. But looking at this thing, wouldn't you say that that's supposed to be on this side? I feel like that should be over there. I might do that. You can't see what I'm doing because of this, but it's okay because I can see what I'm doing. Got these short Allen keys. Lucky for me. Come out of there. Yes. Let's flip that over like that. Put it, oh, look at that. It's got quite a lot of throw. I'm not even going to be able to get that in unless I undo that. But that's 100% better. Look at that. Now it's straight. So yeah, being on this side was wrong. Another purchase from Yahoo auction. Guy probably sold it because, oh, this doesn't fit or it doesn't work. Yeah, well, I mean, if you don't install it properly, of course it's not going to work. And my spanner's going to be too big. I need a thin, whatever this is, a 22 or something. Hang on, I'll see if I've got something. Turn the camera off for 1 second, and the bolt's fallen down in there, and I tried to fish it out with the Allen key, and that disappeared in there as well. I'm out of time. I'm done for the day. For f***'s sake, this is why we can't have nice things. Like, I can't find any of my magnets. I'm done. Just can't have nice things. Like, Murphy's Law doesn't exist. God damn it, that makes me fucking angry. It doesn't exist. It's all about your mindset. Yeah, my mindset caused that fucking bolt to go to the lowest part of the Engine bay, yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, it was about my mindset. If I just looked at things more positively, then, you know, shit wouldn't fall to the lowest location in the world. Gravity's all in your mind, mate. Shut the Day 2. I lost everything down in there, and I couldn't find my magnets. Yay. Still an Allen key down in here somewhere. There it is. That's on the ground. Pigeons need shopping. Thank you. This is so fiddly. Yeah, because this is too fat. I might have to make it do it. I might have to drop the camera. I can just do it with this. Why didn't I think of that? Just wind this in. There it is right there. I don't have to loosen that off at all. That'll be fine. Got a lock washer here. Put that on. Why not? And then the... I'm not sure what you call that. Yeah, I brought a 13 and a 14. It's probably a 7. Yeah, it's a 17. Son of a... Oh crap. Okay, I don't know why we weren't recording, but maybe temperature related or something, but yeah. Okay, so we've got 14 mil of travel available here, and I know that there's at least 14 mil on this side. This looks okay, and this looks okay. That's tight, everything. It's good, it's done. If it doesn't work, at least it looks cool. And I mean, I think it looks cool, and that's what matters. That'll do.